In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your iCloud photos on any device, whether it be a Windows PC, your Mac, iPhone, iPad, it doesn't matter. First things first, here on my iPhone or your iOS device, go and navigate to Settings, which is this gear icon here, and then tap on your name at the very top. That's your Apple account. Once you're here, you want to tap into iCloud about midway down. Make sure that you still have storage available. At the top there, you see that I have about, I say 500 gigabytes of storage available, so I'm good to go. And then right there where it says saved to iCloud, you can see photos, drive, passwords. You want to tap into photos like so, and make sure that the top option there that says sync this phone, or if you're on an iPad, sync this iPad is enabled and turned on. Now the beauty of this is that any iOS device that you're signed in or logged into this Apple account or iCloud account, you'll see these photos. So on my iPad, on my iPhone, I can see all of the photos that are linked to this Apple ID and iCloud account. And so to view them on an iOS device like my iPhone here or an iPad, you would just go to the native Photos app. Just know that if you're just now enabling the iCloud sync feature, that it may take a few minutes to a couple of hours depending on how many photos and videos that you have. But then you just go right here in your Photos app and you should see all of the photos that you've taken here in the Photos app on any device that is synced with iCloud. Now, if you want to view your iCloud photos once you've enabled this on a Mac or a PC, it's as simple as opening up a new browser tab like I've done here. You can do it in Chrome, Safari, on a PC. It doesn't matter. Go to the web URL iCloud.com or just go to Google and type the word iCloud like so and go to the top option here. Make sure you are on the appropriate site and then click on Sign In right there towards the top, and then it will ask you to log in with your Apple account. This obviously has to be the Apple account that is linked to the iCloud where the photos are located. So go ahead and sign in with your Apple account now. It will then ask you for two-factor authentication if you have that set up, so grab your other device, say your phone or iPad or whatever you have nearby, and go ahead and type in the authorization code that is provided, like so. And then when you're ready, go ahead and trust this browser. It'll verify, and it will then pull up your iCloud account. Once you're here at the very top, you're going to see your photos. Here's my full library of almost 17,000 photos, 2,000 videos, and a bunch of other stuff. And then if I go in here, I can click into my photos and begin browsing my photo library as if I was on my iPhone. This works on any device as long as you're logged into the appropriate Apple account or Apple ID. If you have any questions, I'll put some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. If it helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.